Good afternoon, Lakeview Hotel. May I help you?
Yes, I'd like to book a room, please.
Certainly. When for, madam?
March the 23rd.
How long will you be staying?
3 nights.
What kind of room would you like, madam?
Double with bath. I'd appreciate it if you could give me a room with a view over the lake.
Certainly, madam. I'll just check what we have available. Yes, we have a room on the 4th floor with a really splendid view.
Fine. How much is the charge per night?
Would you like breakfast?
No thanks.
It's €84 per night, excluding VAT.
That's fine.
Who's the booking for, please, madam?
Mr. and Mrs. Ryfield. That's RYEFIELD.
Okay, let me make sure I got that. Mr. and Mrs. Ryfield, double with bath for March the 23rd, 24th and 25th. Is that correct?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
Let me give you your confirmation number. It's 7576385. I repeat that, 7576385. Thank you for choosing Lakeview Hotel. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now let's check your understanding. Exercise. Choose the correct answer. Mrs. Ryfield wants to cancel a reservation, book a room, check out. How long does she plan to stay at the hotel? A night? 2 nights? 3 nights? A week? What kind of room does she request to stay in? A double room with bath? A single room with bath? A double room without bath? How much is the room rate? €94 per night, €84 per night, €74 per night. The price doesn't include VAT. Includes VAT. Breakfast is included in the price. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Mrs. Ryfield will be staying alone, with her children, with her husband.